Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, hit Continue, tap on Allow, and tap on the gray sweater next to allow access to manage all files. Tap on Allow, and tap on the gray sweater next to allow access to manage all files. Finally, you can tap on the back button and tap on Clean, located at the bottom left corner. Now select Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!